Good afternoon, students. Myself, Shubhama Shapati from Department of Allied Health Sciences, Brainwood University. So, in the previous classes, we have discussed about manual pre-processing system through various stages. And today, we will discuss about the automatic film processing system from your subject Radiographic and Imaging Technique DMRIT 204. So, automatic film processing, by the name, you can understand the whole procedure of the film processing will be automated. So, here the various steps are developing of the film, fixing of the film, washing, and drying. So, in this case, rinsing or stop bath is omit, which have a important role in manual film processing system. So in this picture, you can see these are some rollers used to transport the film through various tanks. So this is developing tank, fixing tank, and this is washing tank, and this is the dryer which contain one fan and one heater. So in this side, you have to insert the exposed film, and the film will be transported to the various tanks through the roller system, and it will exit out from this side. Chemical tanks is a part. Roller transport system, that is an important system of the automatic film processor. Then temperature control system, and finally the dryer system. So the processing time for a single film in automatic film processor is 90 to 115 seconds. And this automatic film processor is available in various speed. These processing tanks contain development chemical, which is hydroquinone and phenidone. In the case of manual film processing development, we use hydroquinone and metol, but only here we are using phenidone instead of metol. So, fixer chemical, it is similar as manual film processing system, that is sodium thiosulfate and ammonium. And washing tank, that should be running water system. And in this chart, you can see a 90-second film developing process, which will take 26 seconds in development, 15 seconds for fixer, 15 seconds for washing the film, and 24 seconds for drying the film, and the traveling time to the roller will be 10 seconds. So as you can see, the total processing time is very less than manual film processing system, and that will increase the workload of any hospital. So this roller transport system consists of two types of basic roller, that is rubber roller and phenolic roller. So interspace of two rollers must be check and maintain daily to avoid jumping of the film, slipping of the film. Various manufacturers use lubricant to avoid the jumping of the film from roller system. Here you can see the temperature control system chart. So the temperature for developer should be 35 degrees Celsius. For fixer also 35 degrees Celsius. Temperature of the water in washing tank should be 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, and finally the dryer should be 57 degrees Celsius. So dryer system that consists of 2 to 3 heating unit of between 1500 to 2500 watts, and of course it uses 60 to 80% of electrical power in processor. And one fan is there to blow the air through a series of air tube to increase velocity of hot air, and the temperature should be maintained at 57 degrees Celsius always. So what are the advantages of this automatic processor? This processor is smaller in size, faster than the manual processor. Density and contrast of the film is constant here. Time and temperature can be controlled, and finally it produces dry radiograph immediately. That means we do not need to wait for drying the radiograph. We can hand it over to the patient immediately. So of course there is some disadvantages. So the main disadvantage is caused by the roller, that is artifact. So if there is any dust in the roller, so huge amount of artifact will occur. Number two, this system is expensive and require proper maintenance, which is again a complicated work. Number three, manual film processing required as a backup in case of breakdown. That means this automatic film processor can be break down at any time. So for backup, a manual film processing system is required. So the most important topic, that is care and maintenance of the automatic film processor, is divided into two steps. One is daily and weekly. You can see here. So for daily cleaning, you need to clean the roller system. You need to check the temperature of each tank. You have to change or replace the chemical solution daily. And finally, have to check the sensitometry and the density of the radiograph by the use of densitometry equipment. And for weekly checkup, clean entire rack of roller and processing tank. And of course, lubrication is very important to avoid the jumping of the film from roller system. Finally, these are few cautions you have to maintain at the time of developing by automatic film processor. So processing chemicals should be handled with care. If the chemicals split into any surface or floor, it will cause staining in your clothes also. So they can also cause skin and eye irritation. So once it happens, you have to flush immediately with abundant amount of plain water. And always observe the chemical manufacturer recommendation for this situation. So this kind of problem can be avoided by using protective glass and gloves. So we can maintain the proper uses of chemical solution at the time of automatic film processing. Thank you. Thank you for today.